installing Rizoma Elisse mirrors on my S1000R. It's a 2017 model. I've already got the left side done, as you can see, and I'm working on the right side. First step is to pull this boot up, and then we're gonna need a 17mm on both of these right here. You're gonna loosen this one first. This is the one that holds the mirror down here into the stem. So loosen this one, remove it all the way, and the mirror will come straight out. All right, so I've loosened it. As you can see, the mirror just wiggles back and forth. All right, so I've loosened it all the way. You can just pull it straight up. Make sure you keep that rubber boot on there. And then once you pop out the bottom, you can just reinstall them and put them in storage safely, or whatever you plan on doing with the stock. All right, so because the right side holds the reservoir for the brakes, you want to make sure you have the adapter, which I have right here, pretty accessible when you go to do the right side. So I plan on removing this one and immediately putting this one back in, so I don't have to handle the brake reservoir too much and worry about it. Into a little bit of a problem, so I didn't film everything, but as you can see, this adapter brings the reservoir very close to the mirror. Actually, it's touching right now. I gotta figure out if I'm gonna put a spacer or something there. But what I did is I installed the adapter with the mirror already on it, so I could make my positions, changing the mirror angle, make sure everything was good. I tightened down the adapter, and then I decided to come around to the back side. I used the T20 on that. I removed the reservoir, kind of held it off to the side, and then I actually tightened down the bolt right here. Once I got everything set, I was then able to reinstall the reservoir. Like I said before, it's kind of touching, so I might just get one of those socks or the little wristband that goes around it and get that so it's not metal on metal contact. But overall, that's a quick install, and on the Rizoma Elisse mirrors, looks pretty good. We'll let you know how it goes after the first ride. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you have any questions or if there's anything I can clear up. Just go ahead and post below and let me know what you think. Thanks.